What's good, YouTube? Tonic fam, Crow fam. Joven is back with some more bullish content for you guys. Tonic crushing it with the updates recently. Like, they have been going crazy with the updates. A lot of partnerships, a lot of things happening. NFT staking, more utility to the borrow and supplying of ETH and BTC in the Tonic locker, guys. Updates, DeFi Llama, partnerships, guys. We're gonna dive into it. This was a lot of information to cover, so I prefer to spread the videos out instead of making one super long video, and you know, just spread the videos out a piece, guys. We're gonna dive into it in this one, as always, like we always do. Get into the recent partnership that Tonic has. Huge news from the Tonic team, and you know, the community is loving it. You love to see that. If you're interested in this, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, support the channel, support my previous videos, guys. And if you can, please become a member to the channel. Have 0 members, guys. Would really love to take YouTube full-time, you know, and the YouTube AdSense or ad revenue isn't that much because the viewership for crypto channels aren't that great. So if you guys could please become a channel member, it will really help me in getting closer to my dreams of making Tonic Crow content full-time, right? If we scroll down, like I said, we go through. We had a recent tweet 10 hours ago. DeFi Llama supply, borrow BTC and ETH, giveaway with Chronos Cruisers, NFT staking update, and right here, a huge partnership with Mises Browser, introducing our new friend Mises. 119k followers on Twitter, guys. That is huge. Okay, that is huge. You can now access Tonic on the Mises Web3 site. Mises Browser is a Web3 browser with Chrome extension support on mobile phones, allowing users to experience a seamless yet secure access to DeFi. And you got it right here. So it's an extension similar to MetaMask, guys. Okay, that is pretty great stuff right here, guys. They have been crushing it. I'm telling you, LFG, Tonic, and Mises building to the road to Web3 together. From Ribo, shout out to Ribo. Legion Tectonic sharing his. So yeah, it's pretty similar to MetaMask. I didn't even know that this Web3 wallet existed, but that is great to see. Guys. Zygomatic, as always, moving in the right direction. I'm happy with this announcement. Tectonic 5, we need more listening from entrepreneur on a budget. Hey, it's gonna happen, man. Coins to riches, Tectonic, Oscar Ramos, thanks for the update. Keep being active on Twitter, it'll help a lot. To the moon from Dashu, and that is correct. A lot of people are saying, oh, they're not super active on Twitter. I love to see more activity. Well, this has been the most active I've seen them, and that was a huge amount of updates that they dropped, you know. So I got content I got content to make for the channel, which is great to see. From Lee, this is all good. The uncle, thanks. Slow and steady, we will get there. It's a matter of time. It is a matter of a marathon, but we will get there eventually, and that is how it should be, guys. You can't expect life-changing wealth in crypto instantly, right? A lot of people get into the space. A lot of people, from what I know, get into the space in the bull market, the top of the bull market or close to the top, and expect life-changing gains in a matter of months or 1 month. It takes time. This is why it's called investing, right? I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Always do your own research, but this is why it's called investing. You invest in a project you believe in, you have conviction in, stick to your plan, follow your stick to your strategy, follow your plan, right? And then as time progresses, once it's a project that looks to have everything it takes to be a successful project, you know, that's when you see the success. It may take a year, it may take 2 years, but it's going to happen eventually, right? Soap God showing his love to the tweet as well, guys. This is absolutely great stuff that they have this huge partnership right here. Huge Twitter account, 120k followers. Didn't I just check it? It wasn't 120k followers before. Am I tripping? I don't think it was 120k followers before. But Mises is growing, and look at this huge Twitter account. Mises and Tectonic have built a partnership. Mises browser includes Tectonic and recommends it in Web3 sites lending area, allowing users to access it secure and quickly on mobile. And just like that, Addicted Crow, wow, fantastic deal, guys. Beautiful. The accessibility of Tectonic platform has just been elevated another notch from Crypto Lounge, right? Checkmate. Good partnership, guys. Right here, like, this is so bullish. This is super bullish. This is a huge platform, Tonic fam. This is very huge for Tonic. Just think about it. This brand, Mises, has 120k followers, and they're tweeting about Tonic. That just gives so much more exposure to Tonic, guys, and that is super bullish to see, because the more and more people know about the project, the more the project could grow. The more development happens, the more the project grows. That is absolutely great stuff for Tonic. With all of these updates, that is super bullish, guys, right? And we can see that from the image right here, the Tonic protocol through their mobile app, and they have the different extensions right here, similar to MetaMask. I also see in this image Lido right here is one of the top LSD projects, right? Lido is one of the top LSD projects because it is a big DeFi project, right? And Tonic getting in the same place as Av, you know, Av as well, one of the biggest DeFi projects with billions of liquidity locked on DeFi Llama, being up there with Lido. I think Lido is in the top 100 right now through Mises. Tonic fam, I'm telling you, a lot of people are starting to pay more and more attention. The right people are starting to pay more and more attention to Tonic. It's only a matter of time until things start to get wild for Tonic, guys. Buckle up. It's gonna happen. Just be patient. From Tonic Crow, Vroom. And then they had the recent NFT staking partnership, guys. The development is taking place. That is super bullish from Tonic. You could see the building that is happening consistently, guys, and that is absolutely awesome. A lot of people, you know, may have their qualms about the project, but you are seeing the development. There's so many projects that are completely ghost. Their Twitter's ghosted. There's no development that's happening. And this is not the case at all when it comes to Tonic. Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Can't wait to see what else unfolds for Tonic in the future. Also, to support the channel, please become a channel member so I could achieve my goal of doing YouTube full time. I'd really appreciate your guys, all of your support, guys. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.